Aloha mai kākou, I'm Ikaika, and today we'll be going over how to plant Kalo. So here I have some Kāī Uliuli that I got from a friend. I'm just gonna remove the outer stalk so that it creates a Y. To prep the soil, I use an iron o'o. Here in Palolo Valley, the soil is like clay, which is probably why the Hawaiians called it palolo. I try to loosen up the dirt as much as possible, removing rocks, weeds, and just some unwanted grass. I dig 7 holes, about 1 to maybe 1.5 feet deep, and I want to space them about 1 ha'inima apart. So after you dug and spaced out your holes, plant your huli. I like to plant them at about 6 to 8 inches. Because for Kalo, the corm grows upward, and so hopefully I can get a bigger yield at this depth. We just gotta wait and find out. So I planted these huli on Kupau, which is the moon according to the Hawaiian moon calendar. And according to my calendar, this moon is supposedly good for fishing and planting. I want to do a Anahulu report for these huli. So every Anahulu, which is 10 days, I'll make a video checking on the progress of these Kāī Uliuli. Oia vale, mahalo for watching. I'm Ikaika, just a simple kanaka mahiʻai on his quest to perfect the cultivation of food. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button. Ahui ho.